Welcome to my video. In this video, I show you how to quickly set up your computer's IP address. Here is the script that is going to do the work for you. Open Notepad and paste the script into Notepad. Select File Save As. In the file type box, make sure you select all files. When you name the file, make sure it has a .bat file extension. Right-click and select Run as administrator to run the command. And this is the result. If you want to switch back to dynamic IP address mode, do the following. Assuming you have a wireless connection, you need to fix it as follows. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.